Hi, I'm Jasmine and I want to make a Halloween balloon arch. I bought 2 of these Amazon balloon kits, and a while ago my husband built this wood backdrop. So I thought that this would be the perfect backdrop for my balloon arch. The block party's not for a couple of days, but I knew I would only have time to make this at nighttime. So I had to move it in here so that I can mount it to this and it can stay in here for the next couple of days. Let's get started on these balloon garlands. The first thing we're gonna need is a good show on because this is gonna take a while. Then you're gonna need a balloon pump. Trust me, just buy one. It's gonna pay off in the long run. And I know what your next question's gonna be. No, that's not a moose, it's an elk. All right, here's what it looks like all laid out. I separated all the balloon sizes. So there's the 12-inch, the 10-inch, and the 5-inch. And then there's the long balloons and the giant 18-inch balloons. Then there's the bats, some string, balloon tape. These letters came like that. It says boo, and of course glue dots. Now remember, I need 2 kits, so this is double of everything. Let's get these blown up. Here's what the balloons look like all blown up. Here's the tiny balloons. Here's the boo. Super cute little eyeballs. I realized after starting that I don't have a hand pump, so I can't do the spider. Unfortunately, I don't have time to go get one before I need this, so we're just gonna have to do without him this time. Now I just have to connect all of these balloons to make the balloon garland. Let's go. And here it is all tied together. Now all I have to do is attach it to that structure I'm using and then decorate it with all these balloons. All right, and here's what it looks like all done. I'm so happy with how it turned out. And it was perfect for our Halloween block party. I'm so happy with how this turned out, and it was such a hit at our block party. This would make the perfect balloon garland for any Halloween party. And if you have that hand pump, you can even add the spider on top. I just didn't have time before our block party last night to find one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.